You are just getting started your favorite Windows and what happened? Um, and it continues endlessly. Maybe finally we optimize your Windows? Let's start with the easiest one. I know it's one of the most important parts for you. This PC, settings, and extra options. Then in performance, open settings and provide best performance. Leave checkboxes only on displaying thumbnails instead of icons. Display a transparent selection rectangle. Display the content of the window and the final smoothing jaggedness of the screen font. Second method is your disk cleanup, C or D, whatever you want. I will choose CD. Right click on that disk which you choose it and enter to the settings. Press disk cleanup and Windows gonna start searching trash and unnecessary things on your OS, especially on your disk which you choose. On HDD, it's much slower than on SSD, so just wait. And then when everything will be finished, when you're gonna see this pop up.